Hello, grade 9s, how are you? Mr. Newlab is here again. Today I want us to quickly look at theorem of Pythagoras. In other words, Pythagoras theorem. You are going to do Pythagoras theorem in grade 9. You also see it in grade 10. You even see it in grade 11 and grade 12 questions are also asked in Pythagoras theorem. Okay. What is Pythagoras theorem? A man called Pythagoras brought a formula which says that the hypotenuse squared, that is AC, should be equal to AB, the side, that is AB squared, plus BC squared. Let me repeat. He said AC squared, that is the hypotenuse squared, should be equal to AB squared plus BC squared. And you know the value for AC is y squared. It should be equal to AB, which is 3 squared plus 5 squared. Okay. Now 3 squared gives us 9 plus 5 squared gives us 25. 9 plus 25 is 34. Then we take a square root. Square root of this side, in order to remove the square, you have to take it also on the right hand side. So square root of 34. You see, the question was saying we should leave our answer in a sad form. So to leave your answer in a sad form, the number under the square root sign should not be a perfect square. You know what a perfect square? Like 1 plus 1 is 1. 1 is a perfect square. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 is a perfect square. 3 plus 3 is 9. 9 is a perfect square. So if you check this one, 34 is not a perfect square, so we've left it in a sad form. Okay, let's look at the next question. The next question is saying we should determine the value of W, which is this side. Leave your answer in a sad form where necessary. So how do you do that? We know Pythagoras is saying the hypotenuse squared, which is df squared, should be equal to de squared plus ef squared. Now df is equals to 9 squared is equals to w squared plus 7 squared. Okay, so 9 squared is 81. How do you press this on the calculator? Let's see. We have 9. We can either use this or that, but square is easy to use this one. So 9 squared is equal to 81. Then you transpose this 7 squared. This is plus. If you transpose, it's going to be minus 7 squared. Is equals to w squared. Now a squared, 81 minus 7 squared is what? 49. How do you press that on the calculator? 7 squared, which is what? 49. And it's going to give us 81 minus 49, which is 32. So we take a square root of both sides. So if I take square root of both sides, square root of w squared, square root of 32. So square root of w squared will get rid or will remove the square here. So you only have w is equals to square root of 32. Then square root of 32 will give us 4 root 2. 4 square root of 2. So w is equals to 4 square root of 2. You see that this 2 is not a perfect square. So we've left it in a sad form. This is going to be your classwork. So determine the value of x and y. Leave your answer in a sad form. And this is what you have there. So this is your classwork. You are going to do it for me. I wish you all the best. Bye.